So let's talk about the pros and cons of different garage doors made out of different materials such as steel, wood, and composite. Let's start with steel. The pros for steel doors. Steel garage doors come in a few insulation options. They also tend to be the ones that last the longest, and they have stock components such as springs and hinges. So the cons to a steel garage door would be that it has the capability of rusting, such as if you've got a cut on the face of the door, and they tend to look manufactured as the wood texture looks fake.